out here at Adam Fitza's house. Welcome into the KWT team. Welcome to the team, dude. Why did you choose KWT?
Right on, thank you. I'm stoked. I ran the Baja 1000. We drove 750 miles in my buddy's Polaris Razor. 0 air filter changes. We emptied out the tray once. It was absolutely amazing. So when I met up with you guys at King of the Hammers, I decided to reach out as a perfect fit for our Motul Polaris Razor. So I'm pretty stoked on this whole partnership.
Right.
Yeah, so this is a 2020 Polaris Razor Turbo S. Basically all stock chassis. We converted it to a 2-seat from a 4-seat. Running Toyo tires, Vision wheels, Z Brothers suspension, custom cage built in house, PRP seats and harnesses and safety equipment, Rigid Industries lights, and the newly installed KWT filter, which is absolutely insane. So this is going to save our pit times, our air filter changes, save the engine. Super stoked on that. Performance is always key when it comes to racing. Go for a little ride and test this thing out.